What's up, YouTube? Been try this kayak thing again. Gotta get her unloaded. More wind than I wanted, but oh well, maybe we'll stay upright this time. If not, we'll try something different. Be back in a minute.
Yeah. You need to clean this lens.
Alright. I'm gonna have to glue them and bring it back.
Stop. Alright, yeah, we're recording. Alright, we had a major malfunction. I didn't glue them. I wanted to test the height before I put it in there. Now I'm going to have to take it back home and glue it and come back and try it again. But I know I need to cut a little bit off on the height. So we did win some. Maybe another year we'll be able to take it out in the water. No bacon.
Alright, it was a short test run. I didn't even get wet. How about that? Hope my door don't slam shut and hit you. It was supposed to be 5 to 6 mile an hour winds when we got here. Probably 10, 15. Seems to happen every time I come. Alright. Figured some problems out. Go home, solve them, come back, try it again. I'm eventually gonna get y'all a video with me out in the kayak and not flipping. I promise. Alright. Like, share, subscribe, and we're gone.